For the first time in many days or weeks, probably even I can say, we have a clear sky. Usually when we have cloud is because somebody has bought a new telescope. New telescopes brings the clouds. So this is the night to watch the planet Mars, constellations of the winter sky like Orion, Great Orion Nebula. You can see Perseus and then the double cluster. You can see in the early hours of the morning the planetary nebula M57, Ring Nebula. And don't miss the opportunity. Early morning you can see the Venus and the Mercury, and in this area of the sky you can see, oh here, you can see the Mars shining. I can see it in the center almost. Yeah, you can see it. Center, dim light. Focus on it so you can see it. Yeah. Red planet. Chinese Tianwen-1 spacecraft arriving in the red planet is going to insert itself in the orbit, then send the lander down. The lander has also a rover. That's exciting. You can see it now on the you know, the same time you can see the planet Mars. Bring your telescope and watch it. It's clear, beautiful. You can look for the Orion constellation. I've marked the brightest stars up there. Then you can look for the Orion Nebula. Orion Nebula, as you can see with the binoculars, you seen like that. With a telescope or with a camera, actually, you see the colors in it. You can record with the mobile phone. This is with the mobile phone. Then with the telescope, you can just go and see the core of the Orion Nebula and the famous trapezium. Also try the Sigma Orionis with the telescope if you have, just to see how many stars you will see. It's a good time. Near the dawn, as I told, you may be able to see again things like the spring constellations, and then M13, Globular Cluster, Vega. Try your telescope at different targets. You can see Praespe in the Cancer constellation. And yeah, have a good night. Enjoy the time that you have. Your joy will be more if you know that tonight Tianwen-1, Chinese spacecraft, is inserting itself in the orbit of the planet Mars. Then it will send a lander to the surface of the planet Mars. The lander will land and it will release a rover. Exciting time. It will have two ramps. It opens us like a petal of a flower, and then sends the rover. The rover will start to explore the planet because we want to know what is the structure of the planet Mars, what is inside it. Did it have ever tectonics? Did it have life? It will send its findings in the form of radio transmissions like this one that you can listen now. Listen.
Thank you.